Hey guys, welcome back to the iToLab channel. Have you ever plugged in your external hard drive, but nothing happens? Windows doesn't show it in File Explorer, your PC can't find it, and you're probably wondering, where did my drive go? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few easy fixes to get your external hard drive showing up again. Let's get started. Alright, let's check the simple stuff. Sometimes the problem isn't your hard drive. It could just be your USB port or cable. So, unplug your external hard drive and try connecting it to another USB port. Still not showing up? No problem. Let's try Windows built-in troubleshooter. Press Windows plus S, search for command prompt, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Then enter this command, msdt.exe id device diagnostics. Windows will start checking for hardware problems. If it finds something it can fix, it will automatically handle it for you. Once it's finished, reconnect your external hard drive and see if it appears. Alright, the next thing we want to check is disk management. Press Windows plus X, then click Disk Management. This is where Windows shows all the drives connected to your computer. Even if your external hard drive doesn't appear in File Explorer, it might still be here. Now look for your external drive. If it says offline, simply right-click it and choose online. Windows should reconnect the drive right away. Another common reason your external hard drive doesn't show up is that Windows didn't assign it a drive letter. To fix this, right-click the drive in Disk Management. Choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add, pick a drive letter, and hit OK. Now open File Explorer again. Your external hard drive should be back. Now, if none of those methods worked, we have one more option: formatting the drive. But before you do that, remember this. Formatting will rebuild the file system and make the drive usable again, but your existing files may no longer be accessible. To format the drive, open Disk Management. Right-click your external hard drive and select Format. Choose a file system like NTFS or exFAT. For most users, quick format is enough. Click OK, and Windows will create a fresh file system for the drive. If you want these files back, you need a data recovery tool. For this, I'm going to use iToLab RecoverGo Windows Data Recovery, because it can recover data from a formatted external drive, whether it is an HDD, SSD, or a USB drive. Here's how it works. First, connect your external hard drive to your PC. Open RecoverGo and select your drive. Click Search for lost data and let it scan. Once the scan is finished, preview the files it finds. Select the files you want and recover them to another drive. And that's it. If your external hard drive is not showing up in Windows, try these fixes one by one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.